2028 is also not far away.
Sain Pyrthei barim tam hakajala baderu mitrang ba barim u Dr. Mukul sang ma lo aiksai bakandon ke jingkela ke Thymmai Sain Pyrthei hakajala house name ajal pra hak bakajala kan jet biang ya kinung mi khamat ni ki MLA siaking do bathau ai u Dr. Mukul baderu unong yam kling pasya baru MLA ke TMC loong ba usnem ajal pra Jngai Shuh satang asnem duna bat on sayo I ya ke Buit Sain Pyrthei ke Thymmai berapun hakini sengi. Kami sibun kajing ya keren nagi Paidbah ya Sain Pyrthei Dr. Mukul hadin bahwa mino naga kongres banyasro bat ke TMC Henry kamla bantau Pyrthei hak election aja pulai. Habakren syakilat Pyrthei kebon tak sengi kat do trik rumpang aja pun riu u Dr. Mukul aiksai bagi Paidbah ken sayoi ya ke jingjia ke Sain Pyrthei syuau u aja pupra bat loong do bagi babun ki Paidbah ke mikria kidai babha bat kumba prapo persen ki perkat ya ke babha nam tak jela.
Along with my distinguished colleagues and friends and supporters and the foot soldiers, multitudes of foot soldiers, merge into this new political entity, TMC. After the election, we have not received the mandate to form a government. We have not received a mandate. After the election, there was, coming together of different political parties to form a government, an alternative government. But it didn't happen for whatever reasons. And I had only 5 MLAs. So I had to respect the mandate. But having said this, has TMC been given the mandate to form the government? No, not yet. Have we been able to somehow serve the people by being in the hand of affairs of governance as we could while we were in the erstwhile my old grand old party? Only after you give us an opportunity, then only you should say whether this party can demonstrate its competence, capability to deliver. As of now, we are in the opposition. But are we not demonstrating our honest intention to serve the people while being in opposition? Are we not? Do people doubt? They have the right to doubt. But then, as far as we are concerned, as far as me and my team and my people and those distinguished friends in the political arena are concerned, we do our job with utmost sense of sincerity and intention. And even in GHADC, who is the opposition? Who is the opposition? The opposition is our MDCs. Have they not performed? Have they not demonstrated their commitment to serve within that limited capacity as opposition? While they were all victims of the aggressive poaching, they could not get everybody. You see, there are also people with honesty, integrity, and so-called loyalty to the purpose. So therefore, there are many people who are good, and that is the silver lining. Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya must always be alive with this hope that we have good people. More than 80% of the people think for the larger good of the state and the people. They will go out of the way to ensure that this happens. It is only a matter of time when we must all come together, have this sense of oneness because our purpose is one. Now, the politics, the political game plan is always to create this likelihood of people coming together to go in a different direction. So, divided house of the opposition always will benefit the party in dispensation, because then the issue of anti-incumbency, however they're strong, they are able to then somehow get through. So anyway, I think as we approach further closer to the election, you will see many things unfolding, and 2028 is also not far away. So you will see a new political strategy and the resultant political development that will unfold. Let us put our cards close to our chest and put it on the table as and when needed, and we'll share it with you.